In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Youtooz discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Youtooz discount code. Right here you go to this website which is called couponboards.com, and as you can see we have some promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 30% of discount, all you need to do is simply tap on this promotion, and this is the promo code right here. You can simply select copy and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase so that you can get that 30% discount. Also, going back to our main search, we have this website which is called research.com, and right here we also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get, let's say, this one with 10% off the pre-order, all you need to do is just simply select copy code from right here, and this is the promo code that has been copied, and you can apply this one in order to get that 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.